Have you ever wondered why you are suddenly drawn to a specific person, a scent, or a lifestyle? It's the magic of Venus, the goddess of beauty and attraction. After the sun and the moon, Venus is the brightest jewel in our sky. She rules everything that makes life sweet: love, music, fashion, and art. But Venus has a secret. She rotates from right to left, opposite to most planets, representing the heart's victory over logic. Venus rules your five senses: the taste of chocolate, the touch of silk, and the vibration of a beautiful melody. She is the feminine energy within all of us. In your birth chart, Venus acts as a cosmic magnet, showing what you value and how you attract abundance into your life. But even the goddess of love has a shadow. In her darkness, Venus can lead to laziness, overindulgence, and becoming trapped in a superficial world. It can manifest as emotional dependency, jealousy, or an obsession with luxury. The ultimate lesson of Venus is to realize that true beauty is a feeling, not just a possession. She teaches us how to heal through love and balance. As we move into 2026, activating your Venus magnet is essential for spiritual and material harmony. Venus rules two signs: Taurus, the realm of money and security, and Libra, the kingdom of peace and relationships. She is the bridge between your inner desires and outer reality. But Venus also has a shadow. In her darkness, she can lead to laziness, overindulgence, or becoming trapped in a superficial world of vanity. The ultimate lesson of Venus is to realize that true value isn't just about what you own, but about the harmony you create within your soul. In 2026, understanding your Venus is the key to activating your magnet for real wealth and love. Tell me in the comments, in which sign and house is your Venus? Are you a pleasure seeker or a peacemaker? Subscribe to AstroKavakeb and stay tuned for our next video on the speed of Mercury. Stay stylish